Welcome to the Deep Dive. Ready to explore how AI is shaping the future of space exploration.
Sounds exciting.
We've got reports from NASA, the ESA, research from Harvard and Carnegie Mellon, even insights from SpaceX and a leading AI development company.
Wow, quite the lineup.
It's a lot to cover, but we're going to discover not just how AI is used in space, but why it matters and what it means for the future of space travel.
I think what's really fascinating is that AI isn't just a tool anymore, it's becoming a partner in exploration.
Yeah, a partner. So where do we begin? Maybe those incredible Mars rovers.
Good place to start. I mean, can you imagine these rovers driving themselves around another planet?
That's wild.
NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance rovers, those are prime examples. They use AI for navigation, avoiding hazards like rocks and craters. This level of independence is huge.
And Perseverance is even choosing which rocks to study with AI, right?
Right. It uses AGI software, autonomous exploration for gathering increased science, helps Perseverance analyze images and pick out rocks that might hold clues about Mars's past.
It's like having a robotic geologist on Mars.
Exactly.
Makes you think, how far could this go? Could we see rovers making their own scientific discoveries one day?
It's a fascinating question, and it really shows how AI is changing space exploration itself. It's not just about collecting data anymore, but about empowering machines to make decisions, potentially even discoveries.
Mind-blowing. And it's not just rovers. AI is keeping our satellites safe, too. Space is getting crowded up there.
Yeah, you're right. Space debris is a serious concern. Even small pieces can be catastrophic if they hit a satellite. But AI is helping to reduce that risk. SpaceX's Starlink satellites, they use AI for collision avoidance.
So how does that work?
Well, these systems are constantly watching the paths of other satellites and debris. They use AI to predict potential collisions, and then the satellite automatically adjusts its own path to avoid them.
It's like a super fast traffic controller in space.
Keeps everything running smoothly and safely.
Remarkable. AI seems essential for managing that increasingly complex environment up there. But it goes beyond just navigation and safety. AI is changing how we handle all that data from space missions, too.
Absolutely. Just think, telescopes, probes, they're constantly collecting huge amounts of data. Images, readings, measurements. It would take scientists lifetimes to analyze it all by hand.
So that's where AI steps in, to help us understand all that information.
Exactly. AI and machine learning are becoming super valuable tools for analyzing space data, sifting through it all, identifying patterns, classifying objects, even predicting future events in space.
You give an example.
Sure. Remember when NASA's Kepler telescope discovered thousands of exoplanets? Well, AI was key. Kepler was collecting data on the brightness of stars. AI algorithms detected tiny dips in that starlight, indicating planets passing in front of those stars. Dips so small, humans might have missed them.
So without AI, we might not even know those planets existed.
Possibly. AI's ability to find those subtle patterns in huge datasets, it's opening up new avenues of discovery.
Incredible. And it's not just about new planets. AI is changing how we get to space, like with those SpaceX rocket landings.
Yeah, rocket landing is super complex, requires constant adjustments, accounting for things like wind.
It's something else to see those rockets land vertically, like science fiction.
And AI is a big part of making that happen. SpaceX uses AI systems to analyze data from sensors and cameras on the rocket in real time. It's constantly making tiny adjustments to ensure a safe landing.
I know SpaceX talks about reusable rockets. Where does AI fit in there?
Reusability is about efficiency and cost, right? AI helps make those 10-point landings possible so SpaceX can recover and reuse rockets instead of building new ones each time.
So AI is making space exploration more sustainable too.
Exactly. It's about doing more with our resources, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But AI's impact goes further. It's also helping us create a better map of the universe.
Okay, how does AI help map something as vast as the universe?
It all comes back to data analysis, just on a cosmic scale. We're using AI systems to analyze images from telescopes, identifying and classifying billions of stars and galaxies. They can even find patterns in the data that humans would miss.
Like a superhuman astronomer constantly scanning the skies. So we've seen how AI is changing how we explore space. But what about the future? What new things will AI help us do?
That's where it gets really exciting. As AI keeps advancing, it could unlock breakthroughs in spacecraft design, propulsion systems, even the search for extraterrestrial life.
Now that's something I can't wait to talk about. But before we dive into the future, let's take a moment to think about what we've learned so far.
We've covered a lot, but there's so much more to explore. It really is amazing how AI is changing how we explore space, but like any powerful technology, it comes with challenges. Space is harsh, with extreme temperatures, radiation, and the risk of space debris.
Not exactly a place where you want your tech to fail, so how are they designing AI systems that can handle all that?
That's a big focus of research. Carnegie Mellon, for example, is doing some cool work on robots in low gravity. Think about it, walking on the moon isn't like walking on Earth.
So they're making robots that can, like, hop or bound across the moon.
Exactly. They're exploring how robots can move effectively in those conditions, all powered by AI. And it's not just movement. Another challenge is the communication delay between Earth and spacecraft, especially those far out there.
Right, you can't just send a quick text to a rover on Mars.
Exactly. So they're developing what are called intelligent data transmission systems for satellites. These systems use AI to decide which data is most important, ensuring that critical information gets back to Earth, even with limited bandwidth.
Like a smart filter, making sure we get the best data even with those delays. But beyond those technical things, how will AI change, like the dynamics of space exploration? Right now, it's mostly controlled by humans here on Earth, but as AI gets more advanced, will that change?
That's the big question. As AI gets better at making decisions on its own, it raises questions about the roles of humans and machines in space. Will we see more independent AI-controlled missions?
Like something out of science fiction AI spacecraft exploring the galaxy on their own. But it also makes you think, what does it mean for us if machines are making discoveries without us?
Right. And it's not just philosophical, there are practical concerns too. How do we design AI systems that are reliable, especially when humans can't step in?
It seems like there's a lot more at stake now as AI takes on more responsibility. Are there efforts to make sure these AI systems are being developed responsibly?
Definitely. NASA, for instance, is really focused on responsible AI development. They're trying to create guidelines and frameworks that put safety, reliability, and ethics first, when designing AI systems for space.
So it's not just about building the smartest AI, but building one that aligns with our values as we explore the universe.
Exactly. It's about making sure AI benefits humanity, that it helps us understand the cosmos better, not just about advancing technology for technology's sake.
It's a complex landscape. But with all these challenges, there's also so much possibility. What kind of breakthroughs could AI unlock in the future of space exploration?
The possibilities are pretty mind-blowing. Imagine AI designing entire spacecraft, optimizing them for specific missions, whether it's exploring a distant planet or studying an asteroid.
So instead of human engineers, we could have AI designing spacecraft perfectly suited for their mission.
Exactly. AI could consider tons of factors like weight, fuel efficiency, the conditions at the destination to create designs humans might not even think of, and it goes beyond just the design. AI could also help develop new ways to propel spacecraft, letting us travel farther and faster.
So not just small improvements, but potentially huge leaps forward in space travel technology.
That's right. AI could help us find new fuels, use new physics, maybe even come up with entirely new ways to move through space.
Exciting to think about. What about the search for extraterrestrial life? Could AI help with that?
Absolutely. We're already using AI to analyze signals from space, looking for patterns that might indicate intelligent life out there. As AI gets smarter, it could help us sift through all the data from telescopes and probes, searching for signs of life on other planets.
So AI could be our alien hunter, helping us find proof that we're not alone.
Exactly. AI's ability to analyze tons of data really quickly could be key to finding extraterrestrial life. But even if we don't find aliens, the potential for AI-powered discoveries is huge.
It's like AI is giving us a new way to see the universe, to find things we might have missed.
You got it. AI isn't just a tool, it's a partner in exploration, helping us push the boundaries and uncover secrets of the universe.
We've talked about how AI is changing space exploration, the challenges and the potential it has. But as AI becomes more a part of space travel, it begs the question, what role will humans play in the future of space?
That's the question, isn't it? As AI becomes more advanced, where do we fit in?
It does make you wonder. Some people even worry, are we heading towards a future where AI takes over space exploration completely and humans are left behind?
It's easy to picture AI-powered spacecraft out there exploring, doing experiments, making discoveries, all without us. But I don't think it's about humans versus AI. It's about humans and AI working together.
I like that. Collaboration, not competition. But what would that look like in practice? How would that partnership actually work?
Imagine this. AI systems are like our scouts, our eyes and ears in space. They could gather and analyze huge amounts of data, way more than we could ever handle. And then they show us the most interesting stuff, the weird things, the unexpected patterns that might mean we've found something big.
So AI does the hard work of sorting through the data, and then humans come in to figure out what it all means, use our creativity and intuition to solve the puzzles AI gives us.
Exactly. Humans, we're good at critical thinking, at problem solving, at making those connections that AI might miss. Plus, we ask the why questions, dig into the deeper meaning of discoveries. It's like combining our strengths, a true partnership.
That's a really cool way to think about it. It's not about being replaced, it's about having this powerful tool that can help us do things we never could before.
Right. Think about it. AI could help us design spacecraft that are perfect for exploring specific places, like the icy moons of Jupiter or the super hot surface of Venus. It could help us develop ways to travel farther, faster, reach places we can only dream of now. And it could even help us unlock secrets of the universe that have puzzled scientists forever, like dark matter and dark energy.
Wow, those are some amazing possibilities. But even with all these advances, there's something about the human desire to explore, to push the boundaries, to experience the wonder of discovery ourselves. Can AI really replicate that?
I don't think so. There's a certain magic to human exploration, the thrill of landing on a new world, the awe of seeing a distant galaxy for the first time, that joy of pushing limits.
You're right, there's something fundamentally human about that sense of adventure, that drive to see what's out there.
And that drive is what will keep us moving forward, even as AI becomes more important in how we explore.
So the future of space exploration, it's probably not about AI taking over, but about AI helping us do more. AI will let us go farther, explore bolder, dig deeper into the mysteries of space, but it's our human spirit, our curiosity, our ingenuity that will lead the way.
Well said. The future of space exploration is a story we're still writing, and AI is a big part of it. But it's a story that will be shaped by the choices we make, what we value, and how we see humanity's place in the universe.
That's a powerful thought. As we wrap up this deep dive into AI and space exploration, I want to encourage everyone listening to keep exploring, keep asking questions, keep dreaming big. The universe is vast and full of wonders. And with AI as our partner, the possibilities are endless.
Who knows what incredible discoveries are waiting out there?
Until next time, keep exploring.